Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will learn 10 lines essay on Muharramul Haram. Muharram is the first month of the Islamic calendar. It is a sacred and blessed month in Islam. It is also known as the month of God. It is a time for Muslims to reflect and repent. The 10th day of Muharram is known as Ashura. Ashura commemorates the martyrdom of Imam Hussein. Imam Hussein was a grandson of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He was killed in the Battle of Karbala in 680th century. Muslims mourn Imam Hussein's death during Muharram. The month of Muharram is a time for mourning, reflection, and spiritual growth.